In this video, we will demonstrate the historical way of cleaning the Enfield rifle based on the methods set out in the regulations for the marking and preservation of arms issued to Corps of Colonial Volunteers. Place the rifle at full cock and draw the ramrod. Put a piece of rag, woolen if possible, or tow, into the jag and twist it round so as to cover it. Hold the rifle in the left hand at the full extent of the arm, barrel downwards, with the forefinger and the thumb in line with and round the muzzle, heel of the butt resting on the ground to the rear. Pour about 1/4 pint of water into the barrel with care so as to prevent any of it getting between stock and barrel or into the lock through the tumbler axle hole. Immediately afterwards, put the ramrod into the barrel and sponge or rub it carefully up and down to remove the dirt or fouling, forcing the water through the nipple to clear the touch hole. Repeat this process until the barrel is quite clean. Wipe the barrel well out with a rag or tow until it is perfectly dry. and afterwards with an oiled rag. The fouling which settles on the stock near the nipple lump when firing should, if possible, be removed without using water or a damp rag. On no account is a knife or sharp instrument of any description to be used to remove the dirt near the nipple lump or trigger plate. Then put the muzzle stopper in the barrel and the snap cap on the nipple.